Bybit to Binance transfer. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily transfer your cryptos from Bybit to Binance. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Binance mobile application, and then once you are on the home page, you need to tap on this deposit tab in the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you need to tap on the option that says deposit crypto, and then among the given cryptos, you just have to select that particular crypto which you want to transfer from your Bybit account to Binance. Let's say you want to transfer USDT, so you simply need to select USDT, and then you just have to choose your network. So after choosing your network, you will be able to see the deposit address as well as the deposit QR code in front of you. So you just have to copy the code from here, and then you just have to launch your Bybit mobile application, and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, you need to tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and then you just have to select the same crypto that you have selected in your Binance account. Then you will be able to see an address bar where you just have to paste the deposit address that we have just copied from Binance, and then you just have to conclude and confirm your transaction. This way you will be able to receive your USDT from Binance to your Bybit to your Binance account. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.